Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Path Trading Partners. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like, and comment our videos so we can continue to keep growing it. Let's start off with IOTA on a daily chart. So far, we're holding the 50% retracement level from this last major swing up, which started on the lows of November 30th to the most recent highs on the 6th. You can see the 50% level has held, and we are at the rising rotation level. So as long as we do not close below, at this point, about 322, which is the blue line, which is a 21-period exponential moving average, we're going to keep expecting the moves back up. Next move will be to return to about 446. And if we rotate back up there now, we also have the declining trend line for resistance. Breaking above the trend line, we'd be watching for about 502. Now, the key levels still up here are 590, then 615 to 622, then 671. If we do close below the 320 level, we'll be watching for 277, and if we have a bigger pullback, it will be back to 220. Let's check in on the 4-hour chart. Right now, we do have the 4-hour rotation zone against us, so what we want to see is a move up the orange line to get above the blue line, which would be the first cross rotation zone. Then it's better to look to buy any pullbacks, okay? So we want to, before we start getting aggressive, we want the rotation zone to be in our favor. And then I've talked about the levels you can watch for on the next move up. Switching over to Litecoin, 4-hour chart. Remember, we had the divergence entry back on the 14th, and now we've gone up to the end of the clear path, hit it once, came back to the rotation zone, came up and holding at the clear path and our 12.5% retracement. GAN level, this 321. Once we get a key close above that 321, then we'll watch for the return to 350. And then we have the updated levels on here. This is really nice. We have some really nice clusters. So the first minor levels is 363.62. Then we have a major cluster right around 378. And then we have another cluster around 406. So watch for those key levels. Now, for some reason, we do have a bigger pullback. Let's check in on the daily chart if we can't break to new highs. So the first level of support would be back at 293, and then major supports coming in at 264. So keep that in mind. That would be the returning to the top of the rotation zone, and dipping bigger in the rotation zone would be about 236 to 241 next years of support. So that's our quick IOTA and Litecoin update. This was recorded at about 2:15 Central Time on December 17th, and we will be talking to everyone soon. Bye for now.